Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a QR code for your WhatsApp group, making it super easy for people to join. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to be an admin of the WhatsApp group for which you want to create the QR code. Start by opening the group and tapping on the group name at the top of the screen. Scroll down to the Members section and you'll find the option Invite to Group via Link. Tap on this and you'll see several options. Select QR code. A QR code will then be displayed. This code is private, meaning if you share it with someone, they can scan it using their WhatsApp camera to join the group. If you'd like to print or share this QR code, simply click on the Share button in the top right corner. From there, you can save, print, or send the QR code to others. It's incredibly straightforward. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can make joining your WhatsApp group a breeze for anyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates.